In South Beach. It's raining. Came in a wrong weather day.
It was
Yes,
nice
but
10 minutes ago, but it's raining now.
this is the South Beach. Trying to drive through.
Soggy South Beach.
It's called
Soggy.
Soggy.
Soggy's wet. Soggy
Yeah.
South Beach.
Okay, guys. This is Miami. This is Miami for you. Tour with me. Smile with me. Smile with my camera.
Wow, it's getting wild, man.
Yeah. I want a house mode.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
I want to be like, oh Jesus Lord, help me out. When like this weather back home,
Yeah.
people don't work.
No, we wouldn't be working today neither. Definitely not. Not today. Not today. I'm not sure what this guy's doing in front. You can't make his mind up. Yeah, not a good day to be on a motorbike.
That's why they normally say, like,